Oh, y'all wanted a twist, huh? Oh, y'all wanted a twist, huh? It's me, it's Triple T, and I'm back again, but I'm one, a two, a one, two, three. I'm beyond the fridge, I'm beyond alive. Let's have a Dairy Queen mukbang. Hot eats, cool treats. And we'll call it a night. Well, I'm back again, and I'm back by popular demand. Because of that one YouTube Triple T subby. She wanted to see me on top of my fridge again. And that person just so happens to be Easy Eats with Jen. Now, where's the... I don't understand where's the buy one, get one free. I asked... Hold on, guys. It was supposed to be buy one, get one. Y'all, so this is why I'm tired of ordering from these delivery apps. Because it literally was said, buy one, get one free cheeseburger. And I chose to get an extra patty to make it a double. But they didn't give me my extra burger. I mean, I only need one. But why can't you give me what I ordered? I don't understand that. This poutine looks really good, though. Alright, let's pose with the food. This does look a really good burger, though. Let's pose with the food. Let's get the sunglasses on maybe first for a thumbnail. Does look pretty good, but seriously. So I literally right away was like, where's my buy one, get one free? So they refunded me basically the whole price of the burger. So don't do a buy one, get one free combo and don't give it. I don't need it, but Okay, let's get into this poutine. Oh yeah, that's a poutine. That looks really good. Okay, y'all. I need to go high. There we go. I was like, I'm not high enough. I can't even reach this poutine. I'm gonna put some ketchup on this. Fucking right I am. This poutine is quite nice. Oh my god. How dare you? That is a fucking good fast food poutine. Holy moly. I really shouldn't have ordered. I have a slice of pizza in my fridge and a frozen entree that I could have cooked. Oh, fuck me. Wow. Now, I feel like I can't see y'all. Can't see shit. The burger's okay. I feel like the poutine is the winner. Oh, fuck me. Oh my goodness. They did get napkins, so we'll give them that. I don't understand why they didn't give me my buy one, get one free, mama. I am not living for that. Although this was expensive actually for just one burger. And a poutine. But it's all I need. Because you guys know me usually. I feel like I need 99.99 items. I'm living for this poutine though. Maybe I should call this buy one, get none. Dairy Queen's buy one, get none. Yeah. Oh. Ooh. This is going down like a slut in church. Actually, you know what I should do? I should do a Triple O's video. I've watched my friend once inhale a huge double burger. I think he ate it in like 2 minutes. I'll tell you one thing, I can eat those the Popeyes blackened chicken. Oh, I can fucking eat that. I can eat that. So that's pretty much the mukbang tonight. Ow. Fuck me sideways. Ow. Ow. Oh. But please, guys, remember, comment on the video, like the video, and subscribe if you haven't. If you're already a Triple T subby, I appreciate you guys as always. Deuces.